opening this slime. Hi guys! Today I'm opening this lion slime inside. Let's see which one I get first. With green, red, purple, orange, and blue. Get any color you want. Which one I got? I got green. I got green, see? I got green, it's so green. It's a slippery green. It's so slippery. Get it out! It's so green. It's so green. Right guys, it's so green. Did you guess it wasn't green? Click the right button if you do. It's so jiggly and slippy. Look at this, it's so jiggly and gloopy and green. Look how many is in. It's so jiggly and green and poppy and slippy and things. It's like green apple. It's like it's in a cup, see? Does it look like it's in a cup? Does it look like it's in a cup? Do you know it looks like it's in a cup? Now, do you know it's so sticky? I'm going to put it back in the cups since it's going to be even nasty. And it's going to look like it has a tongue. Okay? I like pulling it out on my hand. I'm going to put it on the top. Ew! It won't fit the whole thing on the top. It won't fit the whole thing on the top. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Look at this slime. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Look at this slime.